Hello everyone, welcome back to Board Express PCM. In this video, we are going to be master in our fifth topic electric dipole from chapter first electric charges and field. In this video, we will know about first electric dipole, second electric dipole moment, third some important points, fourth electric field due to electric dipole, fifth torque on electric dipole placed in uniform electric field, sixth stable equilibrium work done and potential energy of electric dipole. So let's start from our first topic, electric dipole. Electric dipole, two-point charges of equal magnitude and opposite in sign separated by a small distance form a electric dipole. दो पॉइंट चार्ज इक्वल मैग्नीट्यूड के और अपोजिट साइन के एक स्मॉल डिस्टेंस से सेपरेटेड हो उसे हम इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल HCl, H2O, N2O, etc. molecules. Our next topic is electric dipole moment. It is denoted by P. P is equal to Q to L. Its SI unit is cm. It is a vector quantity. Its direction is from negative to positive charge. Some important point from electric dipole. First, dipole of negligible small size is called ideal or point dipole. ऐसे डायपोल जिनकी साइज नेग्लिजिबल हो उसे हम आइडियल या पॉइंट डायपोल कहेंगे. सेकेंड, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय अ डायपोल इज कॉल्ड डायपोल फील्ड. एक डायपोल के द्वारा प्रोड्यूस किया गया इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड डायपोल फील्ड कहलाता है. थर्ड, टोटल चार्ज ऑन एन इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल इज जीरो. एक इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल पे टोटल चार्ज जीरो होता है. फोर्थ, इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल 1/r³ के इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शन होता है और इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड 1/r² के इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है. Our next topic is electric field due to electric dipole. First, electric field at a point on the axial line due to electric dipole. At a point on axial line of the dipole at a distance r from the center of the dipole is given by E axial equal 1/4 pi epsilon naught 2 pr upon r square minus l square का whole square. If L is much lesser than R, E axial is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught 2 p upon r cube. Derivation of electric field at an axial point of a dipole. First we draw its image. First, E plus Q equal 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R minus L का whole square and E minus Q is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R plus L का whole square. Second, E axial is equal to E plus Q minus E minus Q. E axial is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R minus L का whole square minus 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R plus L का whole square. E axial is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught in big bracket 1 upon R minus L का whole square minus 1 upon R plus L का whole square bracket close. 3. E axial is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 4AR upon R square minus L square का whole square. E axial is equal to 2 in bracket Q into 2A bracket close R upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square minus L square का whole square, where P equal Q into 2A. Hence E axial is equal to 2PR upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square minus L square का whole square. If L is much lesser than R, E axial is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught 2P upon R cube. You can also see its graph. Electric field at a point on the equatorial line due to electric dipole. At a point on equatorial line of the dipole at a distance r from the center of the dipole given by E equatorial equal 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus P upon R square plus A square k power 3 upon 2. When A is much lesser than R, E equatorial is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus P upon R cube. Derivation of electric field at an equatorial point of a dipole. First, we have to understand the diagram. First, E plus Q equal Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon R square plus A square, and E minus Q equal Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon R square plus A square. Second, E equatorial equal minus in bracket E plus Q plus E minus Q bracket close cos theta P cap E equatorial equal 2QA upon 4 pi epsilon naught in bracket R square plus A square k power 3 upon 2P. Third, E equatorial equal 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus 2QA upon R square plus A square k power 3 upon 2 P cap. E equatorial equal 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus P upon R square plus A square k power 3 upon 2, where P equal to QA. If A is much lesser than R, E equatorial equal 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus P upon R cube. Our next topic is dipole in stable and unstable equilibrium. Dipole is in stable equilibrium in uniform electric field when the angle between P and E is 0 degree, and in unstable equilibrium when the angle is 180 degree. Work done and potential energy of electric dipole. When an electric dipole is placed in an electric field, then work done is rotating. It is given by W is equal to PE cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. जब एक इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में रखा हो तब उसको रोटेट करने में किया गया वर्क डन W इज इक्वल टू PE cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2 and potential energy when theta 1 equal 90 degree to theta 2 equal theta. W is equal to PE cos 90 minus cos theta. W equal minus PE cos theta. W equal minus P dot E.